Myself D. Mohan Kumar, working as a assistant professor in Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to discuss the topic about cloud service deployment models. Cloud deployment models define how cloud resources are assessed and managed. There are four main types of cloud deployment models. First one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is community cloud, and fourth one is hybrid cloud. These are the four main cloud deployment models we are using. First we are going to discuss about public cloud. Resources like servers and storage are owned and managed by a third-party cloud provider. This is called public cloud. Amazon Web Server, Azure, Google Cloud, and made available to the public over the internet. These are the examples of public cloud: Amazon Web Server, Azure, and Google Cloud. What are the examples of public cloud in real time? First one is Netflix. Uses Amazon Web Servers for its streaming service and leveraging the public cloud scalability to handle global users traffic. Second one is e-commerce websites can handle increased traffic during holidays by using public cloud resources. IoT startups, Internet of Things, it utilizes public clouds to process and analyze data from numerous connected devices. This diagram represents the public cloud model. Various services are provided in public cloud, and users, user A, user B, user C, user D. These are the users. They will access these services like computing services, messaging services, application services, platform services, and storage services. The user, what they require, they can access from the public cloud. This type of cloud is open to the public, and public cloud deployment models are ideal for organizations with fluctuating and growing demands. It is a perfect choice for business with low security concerns. As a result, you pay a cloud service provider for networking, computing, virtualization, and storage accessible through the internet. It is also an excellent delivery model for development and testing teams. It is very quick and simple configuration, and deployment make it ideal for testing environments. Mainly the public cloud is used for testing environments. What are the advantages of public cloud? No hardware setup. No hardware installation is required because the cloud service providers fully fund the entire infrastructure. Second one is minimal investment. There is no initial investment because it is a pay-per-use service. It making ideal for business that require immediate access to the resources. No infrastructure management. Using the public cloud, it does not necessitate in the house team. What are the limitations of public cloud deployment model? First one is license restrictions. Numerous resources are available for content exchange, but there is a usage limit is needed. Second one, concerns about data security and privacy, because it is open to all it is an open source, so many users will access the public model. There is no security is provided. Third one is reliability issues, because the same server network is accessible to many different users and malfunctions and outages can occur. Second topic is private cloud. An organization owns and manages its own cloud infrastructure either on premises or through a dedicated third-party provider. Private cloud is mainly used for one particular organization. For when we are using one organization, the cloud server is located in our premises, okay, or it will be dedicated to the third-party provider. This diagram represents how the private cloud is located. The organization is there, along with the security is provided. Where it is used, the private cloud is used in financial institutions. It store and process sensitive data in private clouds for enhanced security and compliances. Second one is government agencies. It uses private clouds to ensure data and compile with strict regulations. Third one is Walt Disney Company. It manages vast media and entertainment containing with private cloud. And fourth one is NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It processes large number of scientific data from space missions by using a private cloud. Private cloud allows for greater control over the cloud resources. The public cloud deployment model is the opposite of the private cloud deployment model. It is a one-to-one setting for single user. It is not essential to share your hardware with any other persons or users. Another name of this cloud is called internal cloud. Private cloud is otherwise called as internal cloud because it is located in our organization itself. Advantages of private cloud: data security, and it supports legacy systems. These are the advantages of deployment model. And what are the limitations of private cloud? First one is higher cost because the server is located separately for our organization, and fixed scalability. Only the particular number of persons can only access the particular private cloud accessibility. Third one is high maintenance because it is managed in a house, it keeps the cost is rise. Third one is hybrid cloud. This model combines both public and private cloud environments, allowing organizations to leverage the benefits of each, like scalability of public cloud with the security. This picture indicates how the hybrid cloud is constructed. One of the private cloud along with public cloud is mingled or combined together to form a hybrid cloud. This picture also indicates how the hybrid cloud is constructed. Next, examples of hybrid cloud. Dropbox uses a hybrid cloud model, storing user data on private servers and sync files through the public cloud. Next one is streaming services like Netflix and Hulu leverage hybrid clouds to manage fluctuating bandwidth demands. For example, now we are watching TV in the sports channel. The coverages will be occurred by using hybrid cloud. Third one is enterprise applications. Hybrid cloud use a secure backends in private clouds and public facing frontends. A hybrid cloud deployment model combines public and private clouds. A hybrid cloud is one of the company uses the public cloud with owning on its premises and has a connection between the two. They function as a single system. This is a useful model because it allows more gradual transition into the public cloud. Advantages of the hybrid cloud: cost. Because of public clouds allowed for scalability, you only have to pay for extra capacity if you need it. Second one is security. Because it is separated correctly and attacker chance of data theft are significantly reduced. Flexibility and control. Business with greater flexibility can create and customize solutions to meet their specific needs. What their requirement is